Welcome to Tech's New Tip. Discover the power of progress, where the treacherous roads return and the deep terrain is filled with heavy truck drivers, admiring the sheer power of the chainsaws to the limit of their courage. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling stage makes watching tense, to the point of breathlessness. The suspenseful episode prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. At the largest marble quarry in Europe, Katsu bearings and Caterpillar wheels drive massive wheel loaders to full capacity, lifting up to an incredible 30 tons of marble. Powered by engines boasting up to 500 horsepower, these machines work tirelessly, ensuring maximum efficiency and durability in the quarry's unforgiving environment. It's raw power and precision at its finest. The C-1009 crane, dubbed the T-Rex, is a true mechanical beast. I just heard that the Austrian company Prangle is spearheading an epic project at the Parndorf construction site, featuring this colossal machine. With a staggering maximum load capacity of thousands of tons, this monster is transported in parts and meticulously assembled on site. The process is nothing short of a high-stakes masterpiece, requiring absolute precision to ensure each component is perfectly and safely put into place. It's a jaw-dropping display of engineering brilliance. Worried much? I can't believe people are actually using ladders to tighten that. One misstep, and it's a disaster waiting to happen. Sometimes safety seems like an afterthought in these high-stakes situations. Painful to watch. You see those sparks flying, but they're nothing compared to the spark of panic when things go wrong. Come on, run for it before the tree comes crashing down. The ILFB 2000 mower, boasting a massive 2,000 horsepower and a powerful 4-stroke engine, is a game-changer in grass cutting and biomass processing. With a staggering efficiency of up to 20 tons per hour, this machine isn't just a champion of agriculture, but also a vital asset in green energy projects. It contributes to environmental protection and the development of sustainable renewable energy, paving the way for a greener future. Insane. This move is way too risky. Never underestimate the raw power of a tree. One wrong calculation and it could all go downhill fast. A Ponce 281 is climbing a steep hill, hauling a massive load of timber. Absolutely jaw-dropping. Those rows of wheels look majestic, showcasing the sheer power and engineering brilliance behind this beast of a machine. Look at this guy, chainsaw in hand, eyes locked on the treetop, ready to dodge if things go south. The forest is no playground, and this is no joke. Everyone, stay sharp and stay safe. It was a heart-stopping moment as the raging waters of the storm threatened to swallow the stubborn driver whole. The waves crashed around him, pushing his vehicle to the brink of disaster. But in a twist of fate, just when it seemed all hope was lost, a group of bystanders rushed to the rescue, pulling him from the jaws of certain doom. The tension was palpable, and the relief was overwhelming as the driver was saved just in the nick of time. What a unique approach. No obstacle is too tough for this off-road beast. It conquers everything in its path with unstoppable determination. Action-packed. Meet the yellow beast, gripping massive logs with ease, dragging them effortlessly through the forest. Precision? Check. Power? Absolutely. Bow down to the driver, the unsung hero of this epic partnership between man, machine, and nature. Understand, this is not your grandfather's stump grinder. We're talking industrial-grade power here. This machine doesn't just remove stumps. It destroys the root systems with surgical precision. High-powered accuracy at its finest. The funnel ensures maximum efficiency, turning those stubborn stumps into useful mulch in record time. It's like watching nature's toughest obstacles get obliterated in the blink of an eye. Oh my goodness, this was a close call that could have ended in disaster. Imagine this, a group of people chopping down a massive tree, and here's the kicker, no proper safety equipment in sight. As the saw bit through the towering trunk, branches loomed overhead, ready to fall at any moment. Just one wrong move, one wayward branch, and it could have been catastrophic. The tension was unbearable. Every second felt like a gamble with fate. Miraculously, everything went smoothly and no one was hurt. But seriously, what were they thinking? This could have been a recipe for disaster. Thank heavens luck was on their side. A must-watch moment that will leave you shaking your head and holding your breath. Hauling massive logs like these is no joke. It's a high-stakes game where every move could mean success or disaster. To pull it off, you don't just need a powerful truck. You need to know your machine inside out. And that's not all. Navigating the road, it's like reading a book where one wrong line could cost everything. Respect the weight you're carrying, or it'll teach you a lesson you'll never forget. This driver, he makes it look like a casual stroll in the park. But trust me, it's anything but. Every turn is a gamble, every mile is a tightrope walk. One wrong step and the whole operation could come crashing down. Watching him in action is a masterclass in precision, nerve, and raw skill. It's not just driving, it's a daring dance with danger. What you're witnessing here is nothing short of extraordinary. This is what years of experience and unwavering dedication look like. A perfect demonstration of skill, precision, and safety in action. Every move, every cut, every calculation is a testament to mastery. It's not just a job, it's an art form, performed with the kind of expertise that inspires awe and admiration. For the next generation of loggers, this is the ultimate benchmark. A source of true inspiration and a shining example of what's possible when experience meets passion. Hats off to a real legend in the field. When it comes to high-stakes tasks like this, there's one golden rule. Trust the professionals. The risks are too great to leave it to chance. From hidden dangers to potential financial disasters, attempting such a job without the right expertise can quickly spiral out of control. Professionals bring more than just skill. They bring experience, precision, and a deep understanding of the task at hand. They know how to navigate the unexpected The Vale Mini Mower is the ultimate companion for your garden. With 30-40 horsepower packed into a compact, versatile design, it effortlessly tackles shrubs and weeds, delivering a fresh, tidy look. Transform any space into a clean, green paradise in no time. If you're looking for a powerful yet impactful stump grinder, the COM SP75 is your ideal choice. With its advanced self-propelled design, this machine delivers exceptional performance even in tight spaces. Priced at just $5,995, it takes the hassle out of stump removal, turning a tough job into an effortless task. This is considered an indispensable tool for forest maintenance. Power line clears through the air, blending with the distant hum of a helicopter poised overhead, ready to transport these massive logs to their destination. Every move reflects determination, a relentless battle with nature that showcases the strength and unyielding spirit of humanity. A man was trimming branches when an unexpected twist unfolded. A towering treetop, standing 10 to 12 feet high, nearly came crashing down onto the factory below. Luckily, it landed squarely on a heavy-duty timber trailer instead, sparing the building from any damage. A tense moment, to say the least. Looking for a powerful and efficient sawing solution? Meet the Fendu 80, the ultimate answer to your needs. Boasting an impressive cutting force of up to 80 tons, this machine effortlessly tackles logs up to 31 inches in diameter. Equipped with a versatile hydraulic sawing system and an optional log lifter, the Fendu 80 streamlines your workflow and takes productivity to the next level. Precision, power, and efficiency in one. This scene is absolute madness. It looks like something straight out of a live monster truck showdown. The power, the chaos, the sheer adrenaline, it's enough to leave anyone speechless. Did anyone else witness this insanity? Drop a comment below and let's go wild together. This is the kind of craziness you just can't keep to yourself. Let's hear your thoughts on this epic moment. Boom truck. Hey everyone, check this out. Splitting logs has never been easier thanks to this insane homemade log splitter. Imagine wielding a crane to handle logs nearly 3 feet in diameter and crushing them with a jaw-dropping 30 tons of splitting force. This beast can tackle anything you throw at it. It's a true powerhouse. What do you think? Have you ever seen anything like this before? But seriously, safety first. Machines like this are no joke, so handle them with extreme care. Let's hear your thoughts on this amazing invention in the comments. In the heart of a frozen wilderness where snow blankets the ground and icy winds bite, an unstoppable force emerges, the Timberjack 810B, Equipped with robust, steel-clad tracks, this mechanical beast fearlessly takes on the treacherous forest trails that no ordinary machine could conquer. With every turn of its tracks, the timberjack powers through deep snow and rugged terrain, hauling massive logs to the collection point. The scene is both breathtaking and intense, a relentless battle between man, machine, and the unforgiving elements of winter. Will it succeed in its mission, or will nature's icy grip prove too much? Witness the raw determination and cutting-edge engineering that transforms impossible challenges into triumphs. This is winter logging like you've never seen before. This is no playground for heroes or show-offs. Every step in this rugged terrain serves a crucial purpose, especially when it comes to the dangerous mission of hauling timber through treacherous paths. Only the most experienced and fearless drivers dare to take on this task, ready to face endless challenges like skidding roads, near misses, and the ever-present threat of accidents. A single slip can turn catastrophic, as heavy timber trucks tilt dangerously on unstable ground. At times, even the toughest trucks need a soil compactor just to pass safely through perilous stretches. Yet, these drivers press on, navigating dense forests and facing nature's obstacles head-on. This is more than a job. It's a relentless battle of courage, skill, and endurance in the heart of the wild. The fundamentals of this dangerous job for the excavator operator and truck driver are no small feat. The skill and bravery required to rescue that truck are truly impressive. It's not just about operating machinery, it's about making life or death decisions under extreme pressure while navigating through challenging terrain. The operator's quick thinking, precision, and sheer determination to get the job done in such perilous conditions are nothing short of remarkable. If only he had leveled that muddy road, he might have saved himself a world of trouble. Instead of letting countless trucks struggle through the bog, he could have paved the way with gravel, compacted neatly with the diesel fuel he supplies. No more battling the quagmire, just smooth sailing for every load. But alas, the struggle continues, proving once again that a solid foundation is worth its weight in gold. Hold on tight, because what happens next will leave you absolutely baffled. Handling an old fallen tree stump is no walk in the park. It's the ultimate showdown of skill and machinery. Every cut, every move, and every moment demands precision, patience, and power. Watching this careful dance between man and machine is nothing short of remarkable. Winning or losing doesn't matter. What truly counts is cutting with care and precision. When every move prioritizes safety, you've already won. Whether it's taming a massive tree or a stubborn stump, the real triumph is walking away without a scratch. The other side, oh, it will hurt. This tree poses a serious safety hazard with the potential for fire and instability. It's protruding dangerously from the road, creating a high risk of collapse. Its position threatens not just the landscape, but the very safety of anyone nearby. All right, let's get serious about tree work for a minute. This is no game. You're dealing with heavy machinery at extreme heights and the raw forces of nature that demand respect. One mistake and the consequences could be catastrophic.